Grooming Essentials, a guide to looking your best. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and important topic, grooming essentials. Whether you're at home or traveling, knowing what grooming essentials are can make a huge difference in your daily routine. Let's explore what these essentials are and why they're so important for both men and women. Stay tuned to elevate your grooming game. Grooming essentials refer to the basic products and tools required for personal hygiene and appearance maintenance. These are items that help you keep clean, look good, and feel confident about yourself. Essential grooming items can vary depending on individual needs but generally include products for hair care, skin care, oral hygiene, and more. Understanding what constitutes grooming essentials is the first step towards developing a personal grooming routine that works best for you. Hair care. Hair care products are crucial in grooming essentials. This category includes shampoo, conditioner, hairbrush or comb, and styling products. These items help maintain healthy hair, manage different hair types, and achieve desired hairstyles. Skin care. Skin care is vital for a healthy complexion and preventing skin problems. Essential skincare products include face wash, moisturizer, sunscreen, and lip balm. For those who shave, shaving cream or gel and aftershave are also important. Oral hygiene. Oral hygiene cannot be overlooked when talking about grooming essentials. Items such as toothbrush, toothpaste, floss, and mouthwash are necessary to maintain oral health and fresh breath. Additional essentials. Other grooming essentials might include deodorant, nail clippers, and a razor or electric shaver for those who shave. These items help manage body odor, maintain clean nails, and ensure a smooth shave. While the basics of grooming essentials are similar for everyone, personalizing your grooming kit to fit your specific needs and preferences is important. Consider your skin type, hair type, lifestyle, and any specific concerns when choosing products. Also, exploring natural or organic options can be beneficial for those with sensitive skin or environmental concerns. We hope this guide helps you understand what grooming essentials are and how to customize them to suit your needs. Remember, grooming is not just about looking good but also feeling confident and taking care of your body. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on personal care and language learning. See you in the next video.